What's Gucci, y'all? It's me, Mecca Believe, and I'm about to do something that I might regret.
Sometimes I wonder why you keep talking like you don't give.
$500,000 on my head, I can't accept, yeah. Least it made me feel like
My life wouldn't be the same without you. And they were not just friends, no, we more than friends. We just have a man, don't you? You think I'm stone cold, tripping, made them say of me.
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna regret, but it might be really dumb. But I'm gonna do it. Y'all gonna see. I'm gonna extra a picture. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but y'all gonna watch me do it because fucking YOLO, bitch. So y'all, the first step of this process is I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I don't know how to do this. I don't. I've never done this before, but I saw it on TikTok. Fucking TikTok, bro. TikTok is making me do a lot of shit that I never really thought I'd be doing. But YOLO. Am I right? Am I right? So I'm gonna blow dry my hair real quick and catch y'all. Okay, now that I look like I got electrocuted or something, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I really don't. But we're just gonna fucking try it, bro. Like, we're just gonna... I'm an idiot. So yeah, I don't know how to do this, but we're just gonna try it. We're just gonna use common sense or something and figure this shit out. Like, we're gonna figure this shit out. So my plan is, there is no plan. Oh my god, y'all, this is gonna be like so bad. So bad. Why am I about to do this? Why? Okay, so my game plan is to like make it like as straight as possible and then free spray it and then hold it till the free spray dries and then hope for the best. That's what I got so far. This is fucking hard. Rico Nasty, you need to send me your like fucking, you need to drop tutorials, bitch, because bitches like me want to be trying your looks and then you got us out here doing the fucking struggle version because you don't want to drop tutorials. Like, bitch, I don't want to be the struggle version, okay? I want to slay like you do, okay? I'm gonna be like she's the expectation and I'm the reality. Like, oh my god, why am I like this? We gotta leave these little curls out because that's just my thing right now and I'm really vibing with it, so it's gonna be part of the look. Bitch, this is gonna fail. I already know this is gonna fucking fail. Like, I really want this to work. Like, I really fucking do, bro. The free spray is like the key ingredient, bro. So I'm gonna have to like free spray it. Oh, I should blow. Bitch, you have a blow dryer. Use your brain, Mecca. Oh my god, no, bitch. No. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Okay, this is gonna be so ugly. I might not even upload this video, but bitch, we're gonna try. Even if I do fail, we're gonna still upload it because fucking clout, JK. Ew, I hate that word. I hate that word so much. Do not use the word clout. It's so gross. Such a gross word, clout. Okay, bitch, y'all, the technique is the fucking spree spray, then spree spray, motherfucker, you know what I'm saying, free spray, then blow dry. Okay, bitch, that's about to be good enough. I can just touch them up later, but I just want, you know, I just want like this is a rough draft. I'm gonna edit it later, you feel me? These are rough drafts. They haven't got edited yet. Okay, y'all, this is gonna be so funny. Okay, y'all, let me stop playing around because I need this to work. Looking, guys, oh my god, fucking trash, literally. This is gonna flop. This is gonna flop so hard. How the fuck do people do this? Like, oh bitch. Okay, see, I told y'all these were rough drafts. Like, this one is like hella thick. Like, bitch, you need to kind of slim down a little bit. But I'm gonna make this work. I really am, y'all. I'm like committed. I'm really committed. So this is gonna be so bad. Like, Mecca.
Bitch, I'm up. The fuck? Didn't go to sleep? What you mean? You know me. Mind all the money. Don't need no honeys. I got my own. Where you from? Bitch, the hood. So what's good? Hey, I'm a rapper.
I don't know what the problem is. Like, I really don't, because I've never done this before, so I don't really know how to, you know, troubleshoot this, because this is my first time. That's what she said. Ooh, this shit is cold. Free spray. I get it, because it's called free spray. Bitches. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It hasn't gotten better, but I just wanted to talk. So you guys, you know what's funny? How like my family swears I be doing all this dumb shit because it's not the fucking drugs you use. Bitch, I've been sober for like 24 hours. And I do shit like this because this is how my mind works, you know? This is drugs. If I was like under the influence, I would have done this a way smarter way. But this is just my regular mind. Dumb bitch. Drugs make me smarter, believe it or not, sometimes. Depending. Not all the time. Not all the time, definitely, but you know, still leave me in my drug use fucking alone. Cause we still gonna smoke weed every day. Yeah, but that's so crazy. Like your parents be like, you do all this dumb shit because you're fucking on drugs. Bro, I'm sober as fuck and I still do dumb shit. What do you mean? Hey y'all, low-key it's like working. Low-key, bro. I only fuck with weird shit. Like, normal, what is that? Like, please tell me. Like, this is a serious question, I'm not even joking. What is normal? Like, people always be like, that's weird. Bitch, what is normal? Existing is fucking weird. Like, don't you find it weird how we just like plopped, how like we just like one day exist? Like, that's fucking weird. That's not normal to me. Like, how the fuck do one day we just exist? Like, I know like the whole like biology and chemistry behind like how a person is made, but like perspective wise, or like it's just crazy how we just exist. Like, that's fucking weird to me because bitch, I didn't ask to exist. I really didn't. I really fucking didn't. Just saying. Just fucking saying. Not that I want to kill myself today. Not today. I'm crazy, y'all. Bitches bonkers. Do British people really say bonkers? I like cannot imagine that. You guys know it's crazy. Like, famous people be having like the most like basic ass first like real names. Like Bruno Mars' real name is Peter. Rico Nasty, her real name is Maria. Like, how the fuck did she come out of her mother and her mother named her Maria? No shade, no tea, but I'm like, wow, she doesn't look like a Maria, like at all. Like, and how the fuck where did Rico come out of Maria? Like, bitch, what do you mean? Like this don't add up. I have so many questions. Like, I wonder why her mom named her Maria. Like, deadass. Rico Nasty, if you ever see this, why did your mom name you Maria? Because you don't look like a Maria. And where did Rico Nasty come from? I'm pretty sure there's like an interview on that, and like I'm a fake fan. I haven't watched that, or like I just don't know. And also, Rico Nasty, if you see this, I'm so fucking sorry. Like, bro, I just want to try I just wanted to try this look, even though it's like a stupid fail. And also, Rico Nasty, if you ever see this, how long does it take you to get that spiky hair shit, bro? Also, Rico Nasty, if you ever see this, can we be best friends? Because like, I fucking love you, dude. I fucking love you, dude. Just saying. I'm not playing, but I'm saying. I'm just saying. Super Saiyan, Goku, Kamehameha, bitch. You would think I'm on drugs right now. Like, this is just how I am. Accept it. But like, your parents can't accept it, so they just blame your weird behavior on fucking drugs, even though you're not even on any. Jokes on you, loser. I'm just like this. And fucking accept it.
You don't gotta respect it, but you gotta accept it. Yeah.
But I'm like halfway done, so this wasn't a total fail because I'm getting somewhere. I'm getting somewhere in life. Something my mom thought I would never do. JK. But like, also, no, I'm not kidding. That's facts. Hey yo, low-key, bitch, I might pull this off actually. Let me actually like be serious, because I can actually pull this off. Honestly, I can pull off anything. You know why? Because I fucking said I could. Even if it don't look good, bitch, I feel good. So, your opinion, booty hole. That was vulgar. I am so sorry, but like, literally, stick your opinion up your own ass and swallow it.
Okay. Told her best friend up, but she said okay. What she wearing? Chanel and Dolce. How she running? Beat up like OJ. Skirt. No, it's skirt. I'm a bitch nigga. How much time do you got for a rich nigga? No. Girl, you know you look by this hell, right? I buy you that Chanel, right? You know, you like a fresh out of jail, right? And if they cheating on you, say no.
Okay, Y'all, I honestly have made progress. Like, bitch, it doesn't look that bad. Like, the back is not done whatsoever, and I'm like holding on to this piece so I can dry. I just freeze sprayed it. I look so crusty. I've been having my makeup on since like for 12 hours, so don't judge me, bro. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep. I did this myself, so I can't even be mad or embarrassed because, bitch, I low-key did that. Like, bitch, like this is low-key a look. I feel like fucking Rick. I feel like Kodak Black, Lisa Simpson, like all the iconic spiky haired characters. Oh my god. But y'all, low-key, I'm pulling it off. Like, I really, if all else fails, this is just funny. But y'all, like, this is like actually something. What is it exactly? I don't know. Don't know exactly what it is, but it's something. Am I right? I'm right. What's Gucci, y'all? It's me, Make a Believe, out here looking like a rock star. Bitches pressed, but it's okay. Mad because you could never. Y'all, deadass, is there a look that I cannot pull off? Like, I'm just saying. Look, this is the look. But this is a look. Like, don't even try me, boy, because this is a fucking look. Y'all, of course there's another fucking dance on TikTok that I have to learn. Of course. Y'all need to stop making up these dances with my faves songs because I cannot fucking dance, bro. I cannot. Like, but I have to do it because, bitch, they're my fave. And, like, you gotta go off to their song one time for one time. So, Rico Nasty. There's a dance to Rico Nasty's new song, Lightning. I'm about to learn that shit. Wish me luck. Oh my god. This is, like, it's not even hard, but, like, bitch, this shit is hard. But I'm about to learn. I'm supposed to learn this fucking dance so I can make a TikTok. Because we're making TikToks today. Yo, I, like, love this. Like, even though it's, like, kind of crusty. Like, my hair is hard. Crunchy. I'm watching the dance. Oh, hell no. This is like the Renegade. Get Renegade. Ah. TikTok really be setting me up for failure. But I don't take L's, so we're gonna learn this. Who made this up? Who? Because it's not easy. Okay, I got the gist of it. But this fucking renegade shit, like, bro. No, we're not renegading, bro. I cannot do it. Stop it. Why do y'all want to renegade so bad? Like, it's hard. It's hard. I know it's cool if you can renegade because, bitch, nobody can fucking renegade because that shit is fucking hard. But if you can renegade, shout out to you. But y'all don't have to incorporate renegade into every dance. Like, we get it already. I'm so mad because, bitch, what is this? Y'all, I got this. I got this. Tell me I don't got this because I got it. Don't tell me I don't because I do. Don't tell me I don't because I do. It gets copywritten, so bitch, we can't put that in there because YouTube will take my shit down. But here's me doing the fucking dance. Yo, nigga, test me every time I drop. Pop star, rock star, we love Rico Nasty. Yeah, follow me on TikTok.